So I wanted to make a video tutorial of this crown right here, and my wig is making my nose itch. Oh, why does Shiro need to wear a wig with hair in her face? That didn't sound right, but you know what I meant. So I'm really sorry that this is not a tutorial on how to make the crown. I was going to do that, but my camera is too heavy and it did not want to go with me. It did not want to work with me, so I had to make this a video explaining the crown. It's falling off my head, by the way. So it started with sketching out the craft foam, and I genuinely hope that explaining how I made this still helps you, because I know what it's like when someone doesn't have a tutorial for you. So anyway, I used craft foam after buying 10 yards of it at Joann's, and this is also where I got the gems. Stuff falling off. This is also where I got the gems to decorate the crown. I'll fix my crown later. I'm sorry. I can't get it on me. I had a lot of trouble with the Shiro crown when I was wearing it, so I'm thinking I'm gonna get a clear transparent headband and glue the crown on, or I could put like a little circle inside a small hole and it would stay on me better. For the diamonds, as you can see right here, I used gems from Michael's. Oh, and if you can hear my mom talking in the background, I'm sorry. I was originally gonna use clear glue on the diamonds, but it looked pretty flat. I can't get resin, so that's why all these are very circly, all the gems on the crown. I used resin in the past, and the only time it worked is when I made my Raven gems for my Raven cosplay. It's really frustrating me how this will not stay on, and I'm knotting the wig, which is not good. So the wig looks knotted, I'm sorry. It's because I'm trying to get this into place. And finally, how I got my crown onto my wig hanging like this is that I tied a ponytail into the wig, a little ponytail. I really recommend getting a ponytail clip-on that wig websites like Artawigs and Epic Cosplay would have, but I could not find one in the right color, so I just made a tie, a little ponytail right here. So I hope that helped you out, especially when I showed my work in progress pictures on the screen, and bye!